Hi guys, good morning. This is the engine reporting for the Red Card Pod community, and this is yesterday in 60. So, first of all, Chelsea threw away to goal lead. They ended up sharing points with Leeds after originally taking 2 goal lead in that game. Goals by João Pedro and Cole Palmer, but then it was undone by shabby defending, and Leeds came back. So they have to do better in the next game. Manchester United made their fan cancel the 5 goal streak, and I think he has to dread his hair at this point because I think the 5 straight wins might not come anytime soon. But then they had to settle for a draw against West Ham through a brilliant Sesko goal. In other news, Coppa Italia, Como knocked out Napoli from the Coppa Italia. Says Fabregas is doing crazy things with that team, so he progressed to the next stage of the Coppa Italia, and that's all happened yesterday in 60.